Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Ahmad Fadilah with NIM 123490045 from the Instrumentation and Automation Engineering Study Program. Here I will be doing an assessment to explain the material on pneumatic cylinder control with limit switch and timer sensor. Yes, next I will be doing an assessment. The lab objective in number 1, understand the operating principle of a double acting pneumatic cylinder in an electropneumatic system. And number 2, study the function and role of a limit switch as a position sensor in a pneumatic actuator. And 3, design and analyze a pneumatic cylinder on off-control circuit with the integration of a limit switch sensor and timer. Number 4, implement a control circuit using a ladder diagram according to the basic principle of electropneumatic control. Number 5, identify the relationship between pneumatic system, sensor, and control logic in simple industrial application. And next, I will explanation of the PLC leader program. Yes, this is the circuit. Yes, next, in the first round we can see a circuit consisting of a push button on, a push button off, an output coil and an internal relay labeled as system. The operation works as follows. When the operator presses the on button, current flows and the output coil is energized. At the same time, the internal relay system is also energized. This relay functions as a latching circuit, meaning that even when the on button is released, the system remains active. The system can only be turned off button is pressed. The current path is interrupts the output coil and the system relay at the energy, and the system shuts down. This type of circuit is very common in applications such as motor start-stop control, production machines, and other automatic equipment. And next, in the second round, there is an input from a limit switch labeled as a limit 1. This limit switch as a sensor that detects condition is the field. For example, the position of a workpiece or the presence of an object. However, the limit switch does not work alone. It only functions when the main system is already active, meaning the output in the first rung must also be on. If both conditions are satisfied, the limit switch sends a signal activate timer. And next, the timer used here is an on-delay timer with a time base of 100 milliseconds. In this program, the set value is 50, which means the timer counts for 50 dikali 100 millisecond equal 5 millisecond or 5 seconds. The operation of this timer is as follows when the limit switch is activated. The timer does not immediately provide an output but instead waits for 5 seconds. If the limit switch remains active for the full 5 seconds, the timer then outputs signal. However, if the limit switch is detected before the 5 seconds are complete, the timer stops and resets back to 0. With this combination, the overall logic of the program works as follows. The operator first turns on the system by pressing on the on button. The system stays active due to the light and can be turned off anytime by pressing the off button. When the system is running, if the limit switch detects a certain condition or position, the timer begins counting. After 5 seconds, the timer provides an output that can be used to activate other equipment such as a motor, a conveyor, an actuator, or an alarm. This program is very useful in industrial automation system, especially for applications that require a time delay before proceeding to the next process. Some examples include a conveyor that starts running only after an object stays in position for a few seconds, alarm that trigger if a condition persists longer than a certain duration, or motor that operates only after a sensor detects an object with a specific delay. In conclusion, this leader program includes start-stop control, relay latching, a limit switch sensor, and 5-second on delay timer, all of which, when combined, provide more flexible, safe, and reliable control for automation purposes. Yes, thank you for I'm present tense. I really thank you for watch. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.